that there are a lot of folks in our community that want to run for office, but they wait till the very last day to file for office. And then you're kind of behind the 8 ball. So if you're interested in running for elected office, start 2 years in advance. Get your position, talk to the people and see what is the need out in the community. Form your position on that, and then start to share that and how you can be the advocate for those individuals. And again, it's about making sure that you research, you go out, and you know your community. And for example, if you're running for office, you should know your community. And making sure that, and then bring those on that want to be a part of that journey and possibly and most likely success.
Thank you. Thank you for that point. Jean.
Get to know us. Take the opportunity to stick around, come say hello. That's what I would go up to when we have people in leadership. I would run maybe try to say hello. Kind of study the different styles of leadership you see and see which styles you might have. And just stay true to who you are. And embrace your leadership style. I think between the three of us, we have a lot of similarities, but we also have different leadership styles, and that's okay.
Yes, absolutely. Be the best version of yourself. Francis, one last thought. What one piece of advice would you give someone wanting to be in your role one day?
Don't rely on anyone to get you there.
Oh, you want to write that down, don't allow anyone to get you there. There's no elevator to success. You have to take the steps, right? Do you want to add anything onto that?
No, there's a quote that I just learned, and it's really speaking to me, and I would love to share that here.
Of course.
And so we are celebrating Women's History Month. On Women's International Day, which was Friday, a movie came out. It's called Cabrini. And it's
Say the movie's name again.
Cabrini.
Cabrini. Yeah.
It's of a Catholic nun. It's her story, and really she's inspiring because of the trials that she overcame to succeed in opening orphanages and such. My name is Frances Cabrini, and I was named after this saint. And when I saw the movie, it just inspired me. I was like, and I'm putting myself up here, that's me. Like, I have all these challenges in my life, but I keep persevering. And she says, we serve our weakness, or we can serve our weakness, or we can serve our purpose.
Wow.
Just hit so much me. I wanted to share
Let's write that down. Repeat it again. We can serve our weakness.
or we can serve our purpose.
You got that, ladies, gentlemen? We can serve our weakness or we can serve our purpose. Well, beautiful, right? Powerful. So I just want to end off today by saying, if I ever need to go to battle, you are definitely my go-to warriors. And as I'm sure a lot of women may agree with, and men here in the audience, but I really want to leave you with this thought that looking down on you today, Melanie, Jeannie, Francis, are your ancestors. And they are saying, you've made Indian country proud. Thank you very much.